Hi guys, I'm Tori Trades. Welcome to my channel. We're going to talk about a trait that I have realized I've developed over time, that over the past 9 years, it's something that every trader needs to work on or develop or understand in their own way. And it is sitting in this feeling. And it's, sitting in drawdown, sitting with FOMO, sitting with crazy profit, and being able to sit in each of these emotions and deal with each of these but not react to them is something that separates profitable and non-profitable traders. First of all, just FOMO in general. Sitting in FOMO is one of the hardest things to do. Not acting on FOMO. You can experience it. It's not going to be fun. You're going to see the markets making insane moves and you're going to want to get in. Working on sitting in the emotion but not acting on it is what's going to separate you from being profitable and non-profitable. So I want to tell you guys a story that I had this year specifically. And this is really what helped me realize that I have really worked on this trait. I am able to sit in FOMO, watch the charts, make insane moves, and do nothing about it. Specifically, I hit my trading goal of $200,000 this year and decided when I hit that goal, I'm going to be done trading for the year. I was able to hit that goal in October, and the elections happened afterwards. Crypto made it to all-time highs. The markets made insane movements, and I was able to just sit and watch and still not continue to trade. I stuck to my goal. I was able to stay disciplined and be done trading. And I think the hardest part is when you're a trader and you see moves like this, you want to get in on them. It's the fear of missing out. That's what FOMO is. If you can truly believe that there's going to be moves for you in the future and you don't need to get on this specific one, that right there in itself is going to separate you. That's going to get you to the next level. So FOMO doesn't just happen on the charts. It also happens on social media. So yes, crypto is making crazy moves and you're watching it just completely skyrocket, but there's also going to be times where you're on social media, you could see somebody else making more money than you, making a crazy amount of money in one singular trade, and that could tempt you to making a stupid decision in the markets. That could tempt you to going too heavy in a position, not being as particular about your entry or your exit. And if you can put some things in place to keep you from doing that, that's going to help your trading in the future. So being able to sit in your emotions is crucial as a trader. Not only sitting with FOMO, but also sitting in big profits. That was something that I struggled with this year. Being able to see yourself up a record amount and sit in it and let the trade play out is an incredibly difficult thing to do. So working on that more and more as you level up as a trader is going to help you. The next thing is sitting in profits, especially sitting in personal bests or record trades. And something that I struggled with this year was closing out of my trades early because I couldn't sit in it. I was so tempted to see that dollar amount and just close the trade out. And the only thing that helped me was holding a little bit longer each time, and sitting in that profit. And I think if you guys can do the same, if you're up a record amount, sit in it a little bit longer, let the trade play out, and you'll just simply be able to make more profits by holding a little bit longer and just continuing to practice. And that's what I've done this year as well. So I took the time this year to figure out, what did I do this year that was different? How did I reach this goal? Why was it easy for me? And when I reflected back, I realized that it was this one thing: sitting in these emotions, sitting through FOMO, sitting in profits, sitting in drawdown. And I realized this is truly what made me hit my goal this year. So all in all, I encourage you guys to go inward and really just self-reflect. Try to take your time, sit in the emotions. Don't fall victim to social media or the traps of FOMO, and take time to develop your strategy. Work on these entries, wait for the entries, let the trade play out. Develop systems, coping strategies to help you from falling victim to social media, FOMO, and all in all, it's going to help you with patience in the long run. This is a long run game. This is a long game. It's not instant gratification. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment, and turn that bell on for notifications so that you guys know every time I post a new video. See you guys. Happy trading.